Okay, so if you didn't guess last time what the new printer is, here it is. It's a Bambulab X1C. X1 Carbon, that is. X1 Carbon Combo, which has got the AMS add-on as well. Now, I've just unboxed it. It's been factory reset by me, but yeah. So, let's see. Let's go from the start, shall we? Let's see what it says. I'm just going to do the setup, and then I'll come back. Okay, so I have gone through setting up. There is a QR code, so I don't want to put it on the screen. But yeah, the QR code for you to connect your printer to your app on your phone. Now it's saying about calibration. Calibration may take several minutes, sure. Having tool head. Oh.
A few moments later.
Okay, so now the calibration is complete. We'll hit next. Please ensure the heat bed fixed foam and desiccant are removed before printing. Yep, I don't think I had that. Oh. I can't see nothing down there. It is detected the lead screws may need lubrication. Would you like to go to the maintenance page? Sure. How is that detected? Wow, it really thinks about everything on here. So, lead screw lubrication. The lead screw needs to be lubricated. Please refer to the following link for operation. I used some all-in-one on the lead screws. Hopefully that's good. We'll find out, I guess. Now, this might have some stuff on from the previous owner. So what I'll do is, if I go close, you can see it here. That's cool. It looks nice. I'm going to find something to print real quick, and we'll see if we can. It's not asked me to load anything in there yet. Okay, so here's the filament part. It does say auto refill. I wonder if that means that it will automatically move over to the next one. Let's have a look. So I've got, I need to twist these down, lift this up. Push that back, and let's load just one of these filaments in. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I've put the 4 in the top. Now, I'm guessing I just need to look on the screen and press load. So we'll see what happens. Filament types unknown, but it is required to perform this action. Do you want to edit the filament's information? No. Press the slot and click load slot. Oh, so I put it into the hole and it's pulled it through. There are, on these, I don't know if you look on the sides, I've got a little wheel here. You can see this little white tag here. This is a PLACF. It actually has the information on the side of it to say that the temperature that it needs here, and you can see how much is left here. But you can see this white thing here. That is a NFC chip. So what this one is doing, most likely at some point, is it has what must be an MSC reader in the side somewhere, or maybe in the bottom, and that allows it to guess what it is, because it knows now. It says on here it's PLA and it's golden, kind of yellow V. So let's go A2, shall we? This is the red one. We'll put that in. Let's pull it around. Hopefully that doesn't cross thread. I was confused about the two of them. got a question mark. It's like, what the hell is it? It must be in there somewhere. Okay, it's worked out. It's PLA. And it's turned to red on there. So it's trying to work out. Oh, I see. So it's trying to work out how much is left on the wheel. Whoa, how does that work? That's amazing. Okay, that's pretty cool. That's a feature that I didn't expect to even see right now. So this knows that it's 3/4 of the way still there. And it kind of is 3/4 of the way still there. It knows that that one's already used a bit. So, I mean, new features, new features. This is... Oh, God. I'll pop this on in there. This is very user-friendly. So it's going to do its old magic with this one again. Well, and looking at the screen, it's like, oh, this must be 3/4 of a black. Hopefully. Oh boy, that one's not wound on very well at all. Maybe I don't know if it must use some sort of... I don't even know how it would work that out. It's pretty awesome though. So it's just kind of pulling it forwards and backwards and thinking. But yeah, either way, I'm sure it will find out what it is. I'm just going to finish these off and I'll come back. Okay, so that's 4 of them loaded. 4 for 4. They all kind of went through. We've got a grey, a black, a red, and a yellow. Or gold. Or whatever that is. Sand. I don't know. So we'll close the lid on this thing. Let's pop them things, the little closer tags down. That's good. Now we want to load something into the printer. So I'm going to boot up a test print on the printer, and we'll see how it goes. Oh, maybe I'll just tap this benchy and we'll see what that does. Oh yeah, PLA. You can choose. 3MF Creative Tools. Use AMS bed leveling flow calibration. I mean, why wouldn't you? Place above filaments into AMS slot. PLA into slot 1. Cool. We have that. So we'll see how this goes. This is what you get on the screen. I'm wondering if it will ping me on the app as well, because that'd be pretty useful to know what's started and what's not, or what's going on, kind of thing. Oh. Wow. The name on the top of that looks really cool as well. I mean, look at that. You can barely see it in the actual, in here. But it says Bambulab. There you go. That's cool. So I've not touched the bed. I've not leveled anything myself. So yeah, I'll press the button. We'll see how the print goes, and I might even have a time lapse, depending on if the software does that. So we'll see. Okay, so I've returned. It's a little bit later on. It says completed. Did you encounter any problems? No, I did not. It took 24 minutes apparently. 11 grams of filament, and yeah, sounds good. If you look inside, this is what you see. It's done its calibration stuff over here. There's a little bit of calibration stuff in the back corner, I'm guessing. And this took, well, apparently it took me 20 odd minutes to do. I'm not sure about the bottom layer, to be fair. Oh no, it's not bad. It's not amazing, but it's not bad. The rest of it though, this is all very smooth. Very smooth. And that is pretty cool. This is definitely... Oh, there is a strange seam on it. Around about here, but I'm not sure if that is actually... Sorry, around about here. But I'm not sure if that's part of the model. Either way, that's a nice first print. So, next up, I'm going to find some more things to print. The time-lapse didn't print, so I need to figure out how to start those up. Maybe I'll do a quick video on a couple of bits about this that I've done after the first week, just to get it printing the way that I think is probably best. There is a purge thing at the back that is just spilling out onto my table, so probably I'd want to get some sort of little bucket or bin or something to go there so that it doesn't just litter my desk. But yeah, I mean, so far so good. A great print, first print. I'm not calibrating anything, it just did it all itself. And yeah, I guess this could be, it's definitely something. I mean, I've not seen a printer work in this way ever. I mean, I do love my Prusa i3 Mark III. Not as much since the MME3 has gone on there, but I will talk about that in another video. That might be my next video. Yeah, no, my next video will be a week after this one, just to show you the upgrades that I've done for it, all the extras that I've got for it, and then it will be an MMU3 let's talk. And that's it from me. So yeah, that was good, that was fun. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed the video.